Hello, everyone. My name is Mohammed Taha. Today, I'm going to speak about how to make a decision to trade. First of all, on behalf of FP Markets, I would like to thank everyone here today, especially for the organizers who give us the opportunity to meet you, all of you here. And actually, I go with this topic especially during the FOREX EXPO because I knew in the beginning that a lot of my colleagues were going to talk about the economic in general. We'll give another, what we can call it, strategies. We'll talk about economic and everything. But guess what? Nobody I have been seeing talking about how to make a good decision or when you should start trade. And I have been searching a lot regarding how we can reduce as much we can the losses and keep the trade stable, or the growth rate can be like profitable and stable. At the meantime, let me go first. All right. At the meantime, based on the experience that I got since the past like 8 years, I decided to share with you like some plans that we can give. It might be very successful to give you a stable return if you actually can be like strict with these points. So in the meantime, you must be, hold on a second, all right, hello. Okay, so in the meantime, what we can see is, in the beginning, you must set a target. And the target, it should be like a monthly. Why is monthly? Consider yourself as an employee one who's got paid in the end of the month. So as if you as a trader and you are looking for a constant return on investment, so you must like consider it as a monthly. And guess what? For example, that depend on the balance, of course, that you are opening with. But of course, let's be more logical and be like realistic about the percentage that you are trying to earn it within this month. So let's say if we are focusing to get like around 1,000 pip, so split the 1,000 pip, to the weekly one. So when you get the weekly one, now the 1,000 will be split to like 250 to 250 daily or weekly. And then when you split it the weekly to the daily, you will realize if you are an intraday trader that your target for today it's very less than you might be expect. And guess what? I'm 100% sure. So most of you that who has been like opening an account and start trading for a while, he opened many positions in a one single day without knowing why. He just focusing about how to earn as much I can or double my balance or just like earn more profits. And guess what? What I've been seeing in the previous, the guys who's using this strategy, they will end up with losses. So I know you have been done whatever you want during the analyze session. You know the market, whatever in your side, from if you are technical analyst or fundamental, or you are doing both sides, that be good for you to know the market direction. But instead, to start trade correctly and start seeing the results that you are looking for, you must follow these steps. You must put a plan for you to start like showing what I want to do in this market today. Is the market today is good to trade or no? So in the beginning, as we can see here, that the number of targets pips is getting smaller, giving you a chance to diversify positions. So no need to open only one position per day in order to get your pips. No, it's not that. You can even split it, which means you are opening with the micro lot size. And guess what? I'm 100% sure that it won't be affect your emotion at all. You won't be greedy. You won't get like fears about the market and start keeping manipulating in your mind. You know what? Should I close the position? Should I keep the position? Should I open another one? No. Just if you follow these steps, so even This is what I'm talking about, the psychology of the trader. It will be much comfortable, it will be stable to create a good decision when you are opening the trades. Here is the 2 steps that I must be mentioning and say about it. And if you lose in that day, get out of the market. If you lose and you didn't reach your pips or your target, your daily target, you must close the positions, feel free, enjoy, and get out. No need to stay at the market. Once you stayed at the market, make sure that you will be like emotional. You will start like feeling that I want a revenge, I want to return my money back, I don't like to lose today, today is my happy day, whatever it is. Don't do that. Simply, once you lose, get out, watch the market, get a popcorn, and smile at least. But guess what? Even if you win, and if you reach your target, with the first position that you get it, smile, enjoy, and get out also of the market. Because also the mindset that we have as a human, it might be keeps you feeling that, you know what, I'm a smart guy and I'm a good guy, so I'm gonna open another positions and etc. until you will lose what you have been earning in that day. So I guess once you earn your pips target, get out of the market. If you lose in that day, get out. Just give yourself some time to take a risk. And that's it. Now, before you open any positions, whatever, if it's buy positions or sell positions, or you are any plans for you like to do some hedge, before that, you must do these steps, which is very important to any trader. And guess what? No matter what, even if you are beginner trader, expert trader, or super professional trader, each trader having his own strategy, his own steps to know exactly what he should do in the market at the meantime. So, in the beginning, let's say that you have been sitting on your computer and you are ready to start trade. So first of all, you must check the economic calendar to know what's going on nowadays. It will be like a rushing day today or what? It will be like a rush tomorrow, when it will be like a stable time, because I don't want something bad that happened to me while I'm trading. And then on the other hand, you must analyze the chart. No matter what analyzing style that you are dealing with, technical, harmonic, whatever, volume, all these technical studies, it's profitable and somehow. So it's depend on the way that you like it. Whatever you are seeing, giving you the good direction for the market, giving you the specific price entry and stop lose, whatever, which is something good for you, perfect. But this is not the end. All these giving you after that to set a take profit and stop lose. And guess what? It doesn't mean to give you like a specific time. Like for example, if I will talk about myself, I prefer to use take profit and stop lose after the candle close. I don't like to put it automatic in the system. So I'm one of the people who's like following the candle closing and expected the time. And I don't think nobody has mentioned that before. It's about the timing. Especially traders nowadays, they are opening any positions, and they don't even know when they have to close the position. They're only thinking about the pips. Okay, this is our main target, perfect. But the good question is, when this position should be closed? Like, based on, of course, which time frame you are dealing with, but we must put a time for it. I knew some traders when they are opening trades, and he's telling me that, you know, I open a position. So I told him, when you are expecting to close it? He said, simply, like within a month. So it's depending on the time. So one of the important thing that I guess is expecting time. Possible scenarios like, what if I got a huge floating? What I should do in that case? Should I close it? Should I keep it? Should I open another position? Should I open hedge? This is one of the things that you must know it before you open even a position. Last but not least, the exit plan. So the exit plan is showing you, what if I didn't reach my target level in that trade, what I should do? Should I close it or keep it? So this is the 4 main things that I have been seeing. It's very important to get it. So what we can see here at the bottom line is, for the number one, take profit and stop lose, is like set a price entry pips target, split your entries. This is one of the most good things that you ever can do it as a trader. Split your entries. Don't think to open only a single entry only. No need to do that at all. And as I told you in the beginning, that regarding the expected time and stop lose, it's connected with the candle shape. So you must know exactly about the candle shape regarding the time, because guess what? If you are seeing the Euro USD chart, and if you are seeing GBP USD chart price, you will realize in a big time frames that you will see many spikes on it in each candle, which mean even if you are seeing the green candle on the GBP USD and there is a spike on above or below it, which means that within the last 5 minutes of that candle, if we are talking about the 1 hour candle, okay, in the last 5 hours, there is like a reducing in the price. So no matter what, if you are a trader and open a buy positions, you will be in loss right now. So one of the most important thing, even to get the good entry in the prices, is knowing exact which time you must go, which time you must put a position. Then you have a risk, and each trade having the risk. The first question that you need to ask yourself about it is, are you willing to accept the risk? Are you comfortable to get lost in that position? Once you feel yourself that, yes, but the probability of getting winning is much higher, which is something good, of course, get in. Let's go back to the time, because this is my main thing that I would like to talk about today, because the time can show you every single thing in the market. And guess what? All the fundamental and technical analysts, they are trying to analyze the market based on the the primary direction or secondary direction or whatever, but they are unknown with the timing. Nobody can give you the correct timing. And to start knowing more about the timing, you must know exactly the language of the charts, specifically the candles. You must know exactly what happened when that candle already closed, whatever it's, if it's green or red, if there is a spike or not. Is this barrier, for example, is usually doing these spikes or no? What if it's only roundabout? All these things you must be considered to knowing exactly what is the good time to get enter. And guess what? Many people that I've been seeing, they usually prefer to start trading on Monday, which is, for me, for example, I can see it's very risk one. Guess what? Because it's already, there is a weekly candle is creating right now. So in the beginning, we don't even know that candle, how it should be, green or red. What about Friday? Which is, we know that in the Friday specific, most of the economic or volatility economic news will come up. So in that day, if you are dealing again with the Euro USD or GBP USD and you are seeing the big spike that you have been seeing there, it's because of ending of weekly candle. So it's very simple. So knowing exactly which day, I prefer to check the economic calendar at the beginning and see the whole situation from the bigger time frames. Even if you are trading with a 15 minutes time frame or whatever, 1 hour or H4, it's fine. But I guess we should have a look on the weekly time frames also, because it gives you, if the markets wants to manipulate, how it can be. Got my point? So, proper entry is one of the most important factors for a successful trade. Entering at the beginning of the week is different than the middle or at end of the week. So that's why most of the clients, usually they start trading on Wednesday. Believe me or not, they start trading on Wednesday because they have been seeing what happens in the smaller time frames. Even they have been expecting what's going to happen in the big time frames. So with their analysis, simply they can identify the market and start creating their trading plan for the rest of the week. I guess my finish is time up. Thank you so much for your time, and good luck. Thank you.